What do you see?
I see penguins.
Are there presents?
Yeah.
Who brought those?
Kindergarten.
Do you think he brought all those?
Yeah.
That's a lot of presents. He would have had to bring all of them down the chimney. And did he fill our stockings?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's stuff in the stockings. I wonder if he ate his cookies.
Not yet.
No?
Not yet. No.
Wow. Santa Claus came last night. You must have been a good boy.
He delivered all the presents.
Were you a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down the chimney.
He came down the chimney with all those presents. I think there's something there for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.